If you're broke today but exhibit these 5 signals, you're on mathematical collision course with wealth. Most chase money through hustle and hope. Architects recognize signs already embedded in their operating systems. This isn't motivation. This is pattern recognition for the top 1%. Pay attention, especially to number 4. Sign number 1, obsession with unit economics. Rich people don't dream about Lambos. They audit margins before breakfast. The signal? You cannot stop dissecting revenue models. Walk past coffee shop, immediately calculate customer acquisition cost versus lifetime value. Reverse engineer Gumroad creators' funnels. Know exactly why 90% of SaaS dies. Not bad product, bad economics. Data point. Every self-made millionaire started with spreadsheets, not vision boards. Warren Buffett's first fortune? Pinball machine arbitrage. Pure unit economics. 25-cent play, $1 machine revenue. 25 machines equals $625 per week. 1950s dollars. If you're asking, what's the LTV/CAC ratio at parties while others discuss fantasy football? Your brain wired for scale. Broke people spend. Architects calculate. This obsession compounds every business decision into advantage. Sign number 2. Comfort in jurisdictional friction. Wealth migrates to complexity where others quit. The signal? Bureaucracy excites you. Tax codes, incorporation jurisdictions, payment gateways. You thrive where normies surrender. Understand why Delaware C Corp with cross-border banking beats local LLC every time. Case study. Global South arbitrage mapped yesterday. While others complain about Stripe fees and compliance headaches, you build wallets capturing 2% on every transaction. 2026 data shows 68% hiring confidence in high-velocity talent markets because jurisdictional moats create 60% cost advantages. Paperwork feels like Lego blocks? You're architect material. Most see red tape. You see protective moats. Sign number 3, synthetic scarcity instinct. Infinite abundance economy. Scarcity must be engineered. The signal? You reject digital-only assets. Infinite AI code? Zero marginal value. Pivot to atoms, land rights, compute infrastructure, verified physical verification layers. AI cannot replicate. Proof. Texas data centers securing 0 property tax exemptions because code-compliant infrastructure. Verification platforms don't sell apps. They verify physical reality fakes cannot touch. Deloitte's 2026 hardware outlook? $975 billion semiconductors. Memory crisis accelerating. Buying fractional compute rights while others hodl tokens? Portfolio survives fiscal cliff. Digital softness devalues. Atomic hardness compounds. Sign number 4. The 48-hour execution filter. Don't ignore this. Separates dreamers from operators. Strongest single predictor of wealth creation. The signal? You deploy 48-hour sprint test religiously. Never hire on resumes. Post microtask. Build this landing page in 48 hours for $50. No degrees needed. Execution reveals everything. Why number 4 destroys? 93% qualified candidates fail sprints. Your remote engineers deliver 3 times velocity at 60% cost. This filter built Anthropic's $30 billion run rate. Not Ivy League pedigrees, sprint-proven operators. Micro execution line. Upwork to AI integrated verification sprint to hire. Person shipping in 48 hours builds your double margin empire. Ignore this filter, stay broke forever. Master it. Scale to 7 figures minimum. This becomes unfair competitive moat. Sign number 5. Tangibility audit habit. Wealth hardens soft capital into permanent assets. The signal? Monthly you run proof of tangibility framework. Replicability test. Can AI recreate free? Energy constraint. Requires physical inputs? Jurisdictional moat. Legal protections embedded? JP Morgan pivot. 76% institutions fleeing equities for infrastructure debt. You're already there. Auditing digital softness into data center land rights. SEZ fractional ownership. Broke neighbor buys crypto memes. You buy sovereign nodes generating yield. Monthly audit compounds portfolio durability while others chase vaporware. These 5 signs aren't random traits. They're operating system of NextGen Wealth architecture. Number 1. Unit economics obsession wiring. Number 2. Jurisdictional friction as advantage. Number 3. Synthetic scarcity engineering. Number 4. 48-hour execution filter. Unfair edge. Number 5. Tangibility audit discipline. 3+ resonate? You're not hoping for wealth. You're executing mathematical certainty. Your next line of action? Audit your week. Which task needs 48-hour sprint replacement? Deploy today. Weekend challenge. Watch why you're not rich yet tomorrow. Cross-reference traps against signals. Day 6 drops Monday. Network state digital land rights. Passive holder becomes foundational stakeholder. I will see you in the machine.